So here we're looking to find the angle measure given is in standard position. Find two positive angles and two negative angles that are coterminal with the given angle. So we're looking to find two positive and two negative. So the first one we're looking at is 72 degrees. So if we're looking at coterminal, remember that means it terminates at the same place on our circle. So if we're looking for two positive angles, we're going to add. We've got 72 degrees, and we're going to add 72 degrees plus going around our circle the whole time extra is going to be 360 degrees, which will get us a value of 432 degrees. Another positive angle would be going around twice on our unit circle. So 2 times 360 would give us 720 degrees, which will give us a total value of 792 degrees. Now, if we're looking at negative, then we're going to subtract. So 72 degrees minus 360 degrees will get us a negative 288 degrees. And 72 degrees minus twice around would be 720 degrees, which will be negative 648 degrees. So these all terminate at the same place on the unit circle. Now, we may have degrees or we may end up with a radian angle. So here we have 7 pi over 12. So if I want to find two positive angles, I need to add 2 pi. So because 2 pi is once around our circle. So if I want to add 2 pi, I need to have 2 pi equal to a common denominator of 12. So 1 times 12 gets us 12, and 2 times 12 would get us 24. So what we're going to add is 24 pi over 12, which is the same thing as 2 pi. So 7 pi over 12 plus 24 pi over 12 will get us 31 pi over 12. Now, if I want to double this, just like I did with the 360 times 2 got us 720, if I multiply this by 2, I'm going to end up with 7 pi over 12 plus 48 pi over 12, because 2 times 24 would be 48, which will get us 55 pi over 12. If I want to do two negative angles, I'm going to use the same values that I'm adding just like I did before, except I will subtract them. So 7 pi over 12 minus 24 pi over 12 will get us negative 17 pi over 12. And if we take 7 pi over 12 minus our 48 pi over 12, we end up with negative 41 pi over 12. So this gets us two positive angles, two negative angles in both cases.